Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize purchases using Google Play Billing easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize purchases using Google Play Billing, begin by opening the Google Play Store app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your Google account. Navigate to the menu by tapping on the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner. Select Account from the list of options. Look for the Purchases section within your account settings. Here, you will find the option to set up or change your payment methods. Tap on Payment Methods to see the available options. Choose Add Payment Method if you need to enter a new one, or select an existing method to edit. Follow the prompts to enter your payment information if adding a new method. Make sure to enter accurate details such as credit card number, expiration date, and CVV. After entering your information, tap Save to update your payment methods. Next, return to the main screen of the Google Play Store. Find the app or content you wish to purchase. Tap on the item to view its details and click on the Price or Buy button. Once you select this, a pop-up will appear with your payment method options. Select the payment method you wish to use for this purchase. Confirm your purchase by tapping the Buy button. You might be prompted to enter your Google account password or authenticate using biometric options. Once your payment is authorized, you will receive a purchase confirmation. If you encounter any issues during this process, check your payment settings again. Ensure your payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. That's how you can easily authorize purchases using Google Play Billing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.